Hi guys, got a minor emergency here. My headphones have just died. So, I'm going to see if I can fix them. Initially, I've just lost the right hand speaker, but as soon as I've taken it apart, this little bit here has come loose. So it may just be that that's not making good contact. We'll have a look. For some reason I've got my thin solder here. Let's just check. You probably can't hear that, but that's now coming through. That was dead when I was trying it just now. If I plug this into there and play some music. To lift it up so I can hear. Nothing at the moment. Let's solder that one back on there. These headphones were Bluetooth headphones, and they were giving me problems, so I converted them to directly wired. When I took them apart, I found it was very interesting, because although they were stereo headphones, they'd been wired up in mono format. In other words, the speakers were in parallel for Bluetooth. I'd never really noticed, but as soon as I rewired them for stereo output, then I realised that originally on the Bluetooth they were only mono. Right, I'll just put these up to my ears again. Right, well, I still have music only in my left ear. Okay, what we can do now, let's just check for continuity. We should be able to measure that speaker. Disconnect it from there. We appear to be here in this. We appear to have continuity there. So if we come down here, right. We're not getting down to the middle bar there. Appears to be in the knob here. Yeah, looks like it's up here somewhere. Okay, we'll cut it and rejoin it. There's our conductors. So we've got the red, blue and gold, I'll call it. And then the 3 cores, which are some sort of cotton. These are enamel coated. So what I'll do is I'll hold hot solder on them, and hopefully that'll burn the enamel off and make a good electrical connection. Don't often bother with this, but we'll try and get the enamel off just by holding them in molten solder. That's that one. That's that one. Right. So now we should be able to check for conductivity. Continuity is the word I was thinking of. Right, checking for continuity. I don't know which one's which. Okay, that one's that one. That's that one. And that's that one. So we've got continuity now. So I should be able to resolder these back onto here. And we should be okay. Just move that over there for a minute. So what have we got? Blue's there, red goes to that red. Might be easier just to cut them. Right. So blue's going to go on there. Oh, no, before we do that, take that off again. We'll tie a knot in it again. Right, so can we get rid of these things? Yeah. So blue onto there. Gold onto there. Might need a little drop more solder on there. wired onto there. Let's put some sound on and see what it sounds like. Right. Yep, got sound in the right hand side now. So we'll put this back together. That needs a bit of tape on it just to insulate it, which I've lost. Alright, well I'll find that and sort it out. All back together. Obviously I can't actually demonstrate them working by putting them next to the camera, although it is stereo, but I don't think, probably not loud enough either. Oh, there we are. So I can move that one out of the way. Yeah, I don't know if that will work. We'll find out when I play the camera back, play the video back. Anyway, that was completely unplanned. Had to go and get all my tools back out of my workroom because I had cleared the table for Christmas. Better tidy up again now. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.